Dude, oh my god, bro. Holy smokes. So, this is gonna be how I made $0 today. What could have been a pretty big day. Not really big, but I mean, like, what would have been a good day. Good day to start the day. Good way to start the day. Um, so I was just trading my model basically, and coming into the day, God, this literally like just happened. Like you can see my executions. Like this shit literally just happened 2 minutes ago. So like I'm still like holy. Um, basically coming into the day, I had like a neutral bias. Um, I had my set conditions and stuff like that. I wanted to see us dump to this 30 minute down here, and then hopefully get a long off of it, or this 1 hour or this 2 hour intermediate low right here. I thought both were really good conditions to go long. Both like last fair value gaps, so extreme discount. But we just ended up chopping. Um, oh, I also had another set condition being this 15-minute gap, but I wanted to see us hit the around the middle of the 15-minute gap because that was oh my god, bro, I can't believe that just happened. But that was discount, right? So I had my condition at discount of the range, and as you can see, we're pretty much respecting that pretty well. So, pretty good condition on my part. Um, but basically, we come up. This is market right here. We chop. Um, we come up. We edge our condition. Come down. Edge our hit our condition. Get this nice rejection wick off of our level, and take out this intermediate high right here. I was like, sweet, this is looking really good. Um, and then we kind of did fuck all for a little bit. It took us a little bit to pick up momentum. Took us a little while to pick up momentum. Um, yes, I mean NQ also wasn't showing a 5 minute gap or any sort of gap for that nature. Um, so I wasn't like that confident with this trade. Plus, this is, in my opinion, this is kind of like a shitty condition. Uh, I marked out this 5 minute up here, being that maybe we could hit that, but I didn't really want to take a 5 minute. I only really take 15 minutes and above. But yeah. So like with my model, what I'm noticing is, so say we're in a downtrend, right? And then our condition is like right here. Shit. Say that's our condition, right? I think the best time to take a trade, what makes this like trade going to be an A plus, is if we leave behind gaps. So we have like good targets to like short down to. You know what I mean? Like we have good targets to short down to. Oh my god, and we're just dumping, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh, brutal, brutal, brutal. Um, but anyways, yeah. So this was God, I can't believe that just happened to me, bro. So yeah, on so I like to see gaps get formed on our way up to our condition. Um, and I didn't really see that on NQ, right? We hit our condition on NQ. We also hit it on ES. But we didn't leave any gaps behind, as you can see. But on ES, we had this nice 5 minute gap. And price action just kind of looked a little better on ES than it did on NQ today for some reason. So I did actually end up taking the trade on ES. Um, so we had this internal sweep. So I'll just do the charting on ES. Our condition is like right here, right? So like we like hit our condition. Um, sweep this internal high right here. And then I just wanted to see us put in some sort of like change in state delivery. So, uh, right here, I entered off of like I I was late because I was really hesitant at first. I'm not gonna lie, which is something I did really bad this trade was I was really hesitant with this trade. I should have entered right here off of this candle close, stops right here, and then I was gonna target the 5 minute, which I think is right here for like 1.25. But I ended up actually just marking out this change in state, and I just limit ordered like around here. You'll see what I mean. So on this candle, like right here, I got filled. But I was in the same trade. Um, we come up, and I think we like hit the like kind of like the golden zone. Yeah, so we wicked the golden zone or whatever, the 786 zone or whatever. And at that point, I was like really confident about this trade, especially after we closed below this like little miniature gap here, I think it was. Yeah, so like I was pretty confident in this trade. Um, and once we got this candle right here, I was like, all right, yeah, like we're probably gonna hit my TP. Um, but anyways, so yeah, this was the trade. As you like, I said, I got filled on like this candle right here because I limit ordered right here. Stops at here. This was the 5 minute right here, and basically when we came up here, I got a little sketched out. But then once we started displacing again, I wasn't that too worried about it. Once we broke this low right here though, I did trail. I moved my stops right here because I literally had there was no reason for us to come back up here, right? Like we already this was a deep enough retrace, right? So like if we came up here, like we're definitely coming up here, you know what I mean? So once we broke this low right here, so on this candle I whatchamacallit it? I just trailed my stop. And then on this candle, bro, I didn't even realize we were opening up a 15-minute candle. Like I was not really like paying attention, so like, I really got to work on that. I mean, I was paying attention, but I wasn't paying attention to the time. And like as you know, like 15-minute candles, high time frame candles have a good chance of manipulating out. I was literally like $190 in profit at this point, and I should have closed, man. I should have closed. I could have just secured 190 profit. Uh, but anyways, once we got down to like right here, right, our price was like around here. I moved it to break even, bro. I moved it to break even because I was like, there's no way we go back up to my entry, bro. If so, that's just an invalid as fuck. You know what I mean? And bro, 15-minute candle opened, came up, stopped me out, and just as you see, it's fucking rinsing my take profit right now. So yeah, pretty and bro, this shit happened all within like literally 2 seconds. Like it was like literally the most high volatile candle that we've seen so far market today at least. Um so yeah, just pretty unfortunate. Um, but I mean, I traded well. I didn't risk that much on this trade. I risked like 250 last trade. This trade I risked around like 100, 120. Um, maybe a little bit more actually, like 150, because I was like a good chunk in profit. Um, but yeah, man, fucking fucking sucks. But it's all good. Shit happens. Just gotta learn from it. I don't think I did anything necessarily wrong other than just not paying attention to the time because I always close my trades out before like 10 o'clock, 10:15, 10:30. Like if there's a 15-minute candle opening up, I almost always close out my trade. The only exception being 10:15 and 9:45 because and I only don't close those out if we already manipulated into something before that happened. um before the candle open. Like if we just had a crazy manipulation leg, I won't really close that trade because I'm expecting 10:15 and 9:45 to like pump us higher towards wherever I'm expecting price to go, not a manipulation stop rate. You know what I mean? Um. So yeah, man, just it sucks, man. It stings, but it's all good. Um. But yeah, that's how I made $0. Bro, it happened so fast. I think I actually got cooked on a few dollars. Or actually, I don't know. Maybe. Hold up. Let me see what my. Yeah, okay. So I lost $7 because it happened so fast. I just got a bad fill, but it's whatever. Um, I mean, I don't give a fuck about the $7, but I'm talking about the trade itself. It's whatever. Um, Shit happens, but yeah, unfortunate way. Oh, also, bro, yesterday I fucking sniped this shit down here. Um, I was actually playing video games and I was just hopping on the chart and hold up. And like I should have paper traded it so then I could have had like credibility or whatever, but like it was over here somewhere. So oh yeah, it was right here. So basically this was during like this was the main reason why I didn't take this trade yesterday was because it was before Asia's session. So like volatility was just really shit. And so I wasn't like I just wasn't gonna trade it because it was like I don't know, bro. It wasn't even during a session. Like, what the fuck are we doing? Like, if I lost that trade, I would have been pissed at myself. But this was my condition. This final fair value gap 15 minute. Um, and bro, these lows down here are at the time these lows were so protected. I was like, bro, there's literally just no fucking way we go back down there. So I like literally like I said at this condition, this 15-minute gap was such a good condition. Um, but anyways, I was literally playing the game and I opened up TradingView and I saw this like right around here was when I like started like actually analyzing what was happening. And we printed this crazy rejection wick, right? And I was like dude, this is like a good time to fucking trade. We just left behind some gaps. We got good targets. Um Crazy rejection wick, really good condition. I think the condition being this 15-minute gap, I think the condition is like the most important thing when it comes to this type of trading. And it was just such a good gap to trade off of. And I was really expecting a bounce off of this gap. And I marked out this change in the state right here. Or was it it was like one of these. It was either this one or this one. Either way, it would have fucking slapped. But yeah, I was like, price is probably gonna come down. Retapped this like uh rejection wick to like test it because you can trade these as like fair value gaps in a way, like it's an imbalance in price. So I was like, we're gonna come down, we're gonna tap into it, mitigate the rejection wick basically, and I do think we're gonna go high, and it's exactly what we did. I remember I marked out this one right here, and if I entered off of that, I forget what kind of gaps we had. It might have not been too. Oh yeah, it was this gap right here. I marked out this 5 minute right here. And because I knew this 5 minute right here wasn't gonna send us lower. I knew we were at least gonna if we were gonna go lower, we were gonna hit this 5 minute gap first. But as you can see, price was just so dead, man. But yeah, I would have fucking slapped. 2.9 RR. Like I said, it was so choppy though, so I wasn't really like looking to trade. But yeah, absolute sniper entry, bro. Went up to 1 to 10. Would have been crazy. But it's whatever, man. Shit happens. If I lost the trade, I literally would have been mad at myself for trading not even in session. Like, bro, like from like 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern time is like when the market is like most dead, I noticed. Because like it's right after New York PM and it's right before Asia. And like, bro, it's just so dead. So like I was just like, there's no way I'm about to trade this right now. But yeah, fucking ended up happening. Um, so yeah. This is brutal, man. This is brutal, 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 but it's whatever, got to go about the day. Um, but yeah. Um, so yeah, hopefully y'all have a good day. And yeah, I'll post another video when I take another trade or when I backtest.